As today is official day of summer, that summer heat has already made an appearance here, like Don just mentioned. While the days continue to get hotter, many people become at risk for suffering from heat stroke. Western Mass News reporter Lindsey Kane joins us live in Springfield with more of the tips to stay cool. Lindsey?
Sarah, a local health expert tells me that the people who are more likely to contract COVID-19 are also likely to suffer from a heat stroke.
Your body's absorbing more heat than you're able to give off.
Saturday marks the official first day of summer, but Patrick Pickering, regional director for American Medical Response, tells Western Mass News that all the fun in the sun could lead people to experience heat exhaustion, the precursor to suffering from a heat stroke.
We need to continue our intake with liquids in order to allow our body to continue to evaporate and give off that heat.
Pickering says warning signs of a heat-related illness include excessive sweating, leg cramps, flushed skin, nausea, and dizziness. But he says there are plenty of preventative measures to take to make sure you and your family stay safe.
Staying out of the sun is going to be one of the key things. But I think one of the big things that we all do as humans is our intake for fluids is way below what it needs to be, and the heat even makes that worse. So getting somebody to drink 4 glasses of water, cool, cold water, in an hour's period is a challenge for most people on a regular day. So now add the heat to that and it makes it even worse.
While this summer may look a little different than past summers with ongoing COVID-19 concerns, Pickering says wearing masks shouldn't pose a greater risk to suffering from a heat stroke.
I don't know that the masks would have any contribution to exacerbating the heat emergency, but certainly people that are susceptible to COVID-19 with comorbidities and conditions that would make them more likely to have issues from COVID-19 are the same group of people that would have issues with high humidity and high heat.
He says as of now, they have seen fewer heat-related illness cases.
We've actually seen a downtick in 911 calls because of that. I think people are afraid to go places because they don't want to be exposed to COVID by other people.
Pickering says if you or a loved one thinks you may be suffering from a heat-related illness, to call 911. Live in Springfield, Lindsey Kane, Western Mass News.